Morning, guys. This morning we got a unit in. I guess it's AC season for us because we seem to be having issues with ACs more and more as the temperature's getting a little hotter down here. On this one, driver complaint. This unit here is making a whole lot of noise, and the unit in front, water actually drains onto the dashboard. On the front one, I mean, I did get to check it before I came back here, and on the front one, the AC unit, the evaporator coils are filthy. So I think on that one, that condenser coil, evaporator coil is icing up. Ice is going over the drip pan, and the water is leaking onto the actual metal case of the AC, and it's dripping onto the dashboard. I don't think there's an issue with that one. All it needs is to be cleaned. But on this one here, it is making a ridiculous amount of noise. Let me go ahead and take this one apart and see if we can find out what's going on with this one. Okay, guys? Well, guys, we have an issue on this one. We had previously worked on one of these. That rubber bushing on this little wheel just gave out on us. Motor's fine, everything is fine, so I'm gonna see what I can salvage on this one again. And well, guys, we couldn't find the blower wheel for this unit, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same as we did last time. We're gonna go ahead and take a new one apart, get the bushing base off and the bearing base off, and reinstall them on this blower wheel so we can go ahead and get this unit back on the road. Ordered the new wheels. They won't. Well, guys, let me go ahead and remove the damaged part. You see, this is a little blower wheel. The damaged part is right here. So let me go and remove this real quick. You gotta okay. There's that. I mean, we're already there, so might as well replace both sides. Let's get the bearing out of there also. So this is a donor wheel. It's a lot longer. So the reason for it is we don't want to keep this bus in the shop. We want to make sure that this bus goes back on route. So that is the reason why we're doing this. This little anchor has to be there. We go. And let me get the pop rivets real quick. Guys, we have us a blower wheel that is now functional again. Alright, a little dirty. I'm going to go ahead and wash it off real quick, and I'll go ahead and put this one back together, guys. Well guys, we got this one up and running. Here, I'll hear the air coming out of the vents. You don't hear that rattling noise coming from the motor. So this one, the driver's going to be pretty happy with this one. So let's go ahead and go up to the front and try and see if we can address that water leaking into the inside the unit. quick. This is the unit that we're in question, the one that we're going to try and repair. Let me go ahead and take that filter off, and look at the coils. If the coils are dirty, we already checked the hoses last time, like a couple of weeks ago. Drain hoses are fine, so all I can think of it is this evaporator core is icing up and is causing the water to drip onto the dashboard. So let me go ahead and take this cover off and see if we can repair this or see if we can clean these coils out. Well guys, what we found on this one is there was a whole bunch of debris, like mold type of, I don't know, some kind of glue, some kind of algae at the bottom. The drains were not completely clogged, but it was holding water on the fan. We're going to go ahead and just want to show you guys these are the chemicals we buy, and these are the ones we use because it is. Well guys, we're going to go ahead and call this one done. We got the noisy, rattling blower wheel repaired on this one, and the front, well, I mean, it was full of junk. I should have gotten the phone close to the AC evaporator core so that you guys could have seen how much debris and crap was in there. I missed out on that one. I completely forgot to get close to it so you guys could see it, but believe me, I mean, it was full of junk. So went ahead and cleaned it out with coil cleaner, put it back together. The drain hoses seem to be draining. I poured a gallon of water in there, and there's quite a bit of water under the unit, so I'm going to say the drain hoses are unclogged. So we're going to go ahead and call this one done. And well guys, brought another unit in. This is a little special needs unit. Had an AC problem. I mean, I don't want to create a whole new video on an AC problem again, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to the previous unit. This is a simple fix, guys. AC blower fan quit on this one, and no, it's not the blower fan, nor is it the blower motor or nothing like that. It's basically this resistor. If you guys can see, the resistor kind of melted off, it burnt off. As soon as I touch, it'll start working, but look at that. So I got to replace this little resistor right here, guys. We do have the part in stock, so I'm just going to do a real quick remove and replace, and I'm going to go ahead and put it together with the previous unit. But this is a different unit that I'm working on, guys. So let me get this one done real quick. It's real easy. Basically, it's bolt, and of course those 4 wires. Replace that, and I got to replace that little terminal on that one, and just plug it back in, and we should be ready to go. Alright, let me get this done real quick. Well guys, we just removed and replaced a blower motor resistor. These are pretty simple, dude. The way we found out that this was bad was because as we turn the AC on, the compressor would kick on for like a good 10 seconds, and then it would just shut off. The reason for it is building too much pressure. Went to the bottom condenser fans, and whenever the compressor turned on, both fans turned on. So it wasn't, the problem was not the condenser. Came up here into the unit, and the blower motor wasn't functioning at all. The blower motor runs regardless. If the compressor, I mean, if you turn on the AC and the compressor has no freon or compressor burn or something like that, the blower motor inside the bus will still function. This one was completely down. Took the cover off, and found that that wire was broken off the resistor. So it was a pretty simple, easy fix. We got it up and running already. All we got to do is put the covers back on it, and this unit is back on the road. So guys, again, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.